Hey guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies today, and we're showing you another Cerakote gun coating preparation video. In the beginning, the footage is of the coating removal. So we're removing the coating that's existing on the part so that we can reapply a different coat of Cerakote. And what I love about the wet blast system is the true level of detail that you can actually get from this particular part. You can see all of the detail that exists here. You have threading, you have drilled holes, you have tight passageways, threaded holes. You can clean the coating out of every single area of the part because of the flushing action. And that does a couple things for us. Number one, we're able to get into those tight spaces, remove the coating, prep the area for the new coating so that it adheres properly, but it also allows the material to flow in and out of those areas so it's not hard packing in those holes. If they're threaded holes, not actually going to hard pack in there. If you've ever used sandblasting before on parts like this, you're going to get a tremendous amount of mechanical lock with the abrasive when it goes into a threaded passage or hole. What you're also not going to get that wet blasting or vapor honing will do for you is you're not going to get in these very tight spaces because you don't have the flushing action and the rinsing action. And I think that's one of the biggest misconceptions in the industry today is people don't think that wet blasting can prep for coatings. They do it every single day in the medical industry, in the aviation industry, in the machining world too. So that's what we're kind of focusing on here, is the coating removal and the coating preparation that you can actually do with a vapor honing system. Boy, this was pretty quick and easy. I mean, this is a pretty detailed part, and it took us maybe 10 to 15 minutes to get the part ready, and I mean really ready for a coating. Very, very well, and obviously you can see how consistent the part is across, you know, from top to bottom, left to right here. It's very, very clean. So it's going to accept the coating well. Hope you guys enjoy what you saw today. If you did, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and like the Facebook page for daily, weekly updates. And if you have questions about this application, give us a call or shoot us an email. The sales team's here happy to help you. Thanks for watching.